Hey everyone. As much as I hate to say it, I've got to postpone the Q&A for today. When we went to town on Friday, we both ended up with food poisoning and been crazy sick ever since. So can't get to town to upload the video. With the libraries open on Tuesday, and hopefully by then we can get out of here. I can't take too much more of this. I'll tell you, there won't be anything left of me. But this short little video I can upload from my phone. I'm just going to do it in a tiny computer file. The quality's not going to be very good, but that doesn't really matter. I just want to get this message out. I know a lot of you will be looking forward to the video today, so I just want to put this out so you know what's going on. So hopefully on Tuesday we'll get caught back up. All right? Enjoy the rest of your Sunday.